Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. I imagine you've probably seen flagpoles like this at campgrounds, and maybe you've wondered how easy they are to put together. Well, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to actually put one together, and I have an extra flag that I need to put it on. So let's get started. There's a few things you'll need. One being a 10-foot stick of PVC. You'll need a 45 and a T. And then you'll need a couple of hooks. I use 7/8 hooks, but you can use a 1-inch hook if you want. And then you'll need a little bit of glue, a hacksaw, tape measure, and a drill with a drill bit to make a pilot hole for your hooks. And then you'll need a steel rod, and that's what the flags rest on. So let's get started here. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is we want to measure 2 1-foot pieces. We've already pre-marked these, so you'll want to make a mark at 1 foot. Whoops, hang on there. And then you want to make a mark at 2 feet. Then you want to take your hacksaw and cut off these 1-foot pieces. That's one of them. And here's the other one. Once you have those 2 pieces cut off, what we want to do is we want to measure a 4-foot piece. You'll see I marked a 4-foot piece comes right to there. And then we'll cut on that line. And there's your other 2 4-foot pieces that you'll need right here. Now, take your 45 and we're going to glue it onto one of these ends. Okay, that's one. And then we'll take our T and glue it to the other end here. There we go. You've got your T-piece on. Then we're going to take one of the 1-foot pieces. We're going to glue it in to this back side here. And then we'll take your other 2 1-foot piece and we'll glue it into this spot here on the 45. Now that's all the gluing you'll need to do if you want to be able to take these apart and store them. Then we take the two ends and this is our stand. Here comes the fun part. We want to come back about an inch. And drill us a pilot hole. Then we'll take our hook. Oops, get that out of the way. For our flag. Into the pilot hole. Now, what we want to do next, now this will vary. You want to make sure that your flag will fit. So you want to take your tape measure and we'll go out here and we'll measure one of these flags. About 34 inches. We'll measure 34 inches for our next hook. And we'll drill us a pilot hole with our drill bit. And then we place the other hook into the pilot hole. Oops. Sometimes these can be a little difficult to get started. But you don't want to make your pilot hole too big or the hook won't stay in. There we go. And there it is, right there. New flag stand. You want to take your 18-inch steel rod, get these at Home Depot or Lowe's, drive it in the ground, and then this goes on top of it. Pretty simple. Didn't take me very long with the minimum amount of tools, and I've got me another flag holder. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you down the road.